Have you ever wondered why you hold certain beliefs? Why do they shape your choices? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of attitudes and persuasion. Attitudes are our evaluations of people, objects, or ideas. They influence how we think, decide, and interact. Understanding attitudes helps us navigate life better. First, let's explore how attitudes are formed. Attitudes develop through experiences, emotions, and thoughts. For example, your experiences with a product can create lasting beliefs about it. Research by Petty and Cacioppo highlights important models of attitude change. They emphasize how we process messages and our motivation. This matters because the way we receive information directly affects our attitudes. Next, we have the role of cognitive dissonance. When our beliefs conflict with our actions, discomfort arises. For instance, if you smoke but know it's harmful, you experience dissonance. This discomfort motivates you to change your attitude or behavior. Now let's discuss how persuasion works. There are multiple models to explain this process. One of the most recognized models is the Elaboration Likelihood Model, ELM. The ELM outlines two routes to persuasion, the central route and the peripheral route. The central route involves careful consideration of arguments. This requires both motivation and ability. When you process the message deeply, the resulting attitudes are stronger and more enduring. On the other hand, the peripheral route relies on superficial cues. This means how attractive the speaker is or how many arguments are presented matters more than the argument's quality. When motivation is low, we often resort to this quicker processing route. So, what does this mean for effective communication? To influence attitudes lasting, we must enhance motivation and simplify our messages. For example, relate your message to your audience's personal interests. Remove distractions to allow deep processing. This leads to more significant attitude change. In summary, understanding attitudes helps us grasp how people think and act. We create attitudes through experiences and emotional responses. The roles of cognitive dissonance and persuasion models guide us in shaping these attitudes. Want to apply these insights to your life? Consider how you can influence your own attitudes. Or maybe challenge dissonance when it arises. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more on attitudes and persuasion. Dive deeper into understanding yourself and others with us.